This is my full unboxing video of the AVerMedia Live Gamer Ultra S capture card. For my dedicated subscribers, you may be like, wait a minute, Mark, you just did 2 unboxing videos of other capture cards. I unboxed the Elgato HD60X and the Elgato Neo. Neither of them worked. My setup is an Xbox One and my computer or MacBook. I don't know why they didn't work. So I'm hoping this one, third time's a charm. Also, never tried out this company, AVerMedia, so hopefully it's good, right? If you don't see another unboxing video, you know this capture card worked. And I will start doing live streaming and gaming, I think, potentially on this channel too, to maybe like hang out, talk about money, maybe play some Halo, you know, that kind of thing. So let's open this up. I'm trying to do this with my arm right now, but I don't want to hurt it. So should just use scissors. All right. So it looks like this. Kind of pose for thumbnail. Yeah. All right. So let's open this up, see what we got. Because the weird thing is, the Neo, when I unboxed it, the capture card, didn't come actually with an HDMI cord, which is kind of annoying. Let's see what this comes with. All right. Put this here. Another box. Okay. And let me do this. Open this up. We have a little guide. Pose again for thumbnail. Of course, you know, you got to do that. Should do this. Whoa. All right. Yeah, pose for thumbnail. All right, there we go. In case you're curious, when it comes to my thumbnails on this channel, what I actually do is screen capture. So I'll pose and then extract that still from the video. Little fun fact about me. So this is how it looks, first off. I actually like the colors, I'm not gonna lie, pretty cool. And as you can see here, we have a USB 3, but to be more specific, is a USB-C that goes out to the computer. And then we have the 2 HDMI ports. I kind of like that, honestly, because when it comes to the Elgato one, they're usually all in the same section. So they're all here, all here. I kind of get that point. Like, hey, HDMI deals with your TV and your console. USB goes to your computer. So we have this. Take this off. There we go. Now we have then a USB-C to a USB cord, as you can see here. And then HDMI to HDMI. Thank God. I don't know why the Neo from Elgato did not come with the HDMI cable. The HD60X did. I don't know why they got rid of it. It's kind of annoying. One of those like weird, annoying things that companies do sometimes. But there it is. So in terms of unboxing it, you get, of course, the capture card itself, which looks like this. I actually like the color scheme, the look of it. Then you have a HDMI cable to HDMI. And then we have a USB-C to USB. And once you have this, let me try to like organize this as best I can so you can see it all in one go with one hand, because I can't really use this hand too much. We got this. Hopefully this time this one works. There it is.